have no idea how that filter got turned on. But now that you're here, let's do a beginner Cricut tutorial in 60 seconds or less. And today we're making a cup. Okay, Henry, should we do a pink cup or a green cup?
Pink cup.
Okay.
This is our design.
I'm using up some scraps today, but I'm using these for the wreath and the letters. And then I'm using this metallic color for the ampersand. First, we're gonna get our whole design. Click edit, change the width to 3, because that's how wide I want it on my cup. Then we hit make it. Mirroring needs to be off. Next. We're gonna use this premium vinyl setting. Now we just take our transfer tape and we put all the pieces on the cup.